Hey everyone, welcome to my channel SVG CUT FILES DESIGNS. I am the owner of the channel, I'm Rashik Aladal. I hope you're fine. Today I'll show you how to make a simple SVG design and you can print your Cricut machine and you can enjoy it. So let's get started. And first of all, you can see that this text, Queen of the Campfire. We can first of all we can cut these portions and okay. Then second option, then last. This is very simple design, but you can print your Cricut machine easily. Okay, compare. Then we can select your this quaint text font. Okay, I select it, then up the this SVG designs is very simple. Just I can find font. Okay, you can see, select this up the, then camper, you can select, if select this font, then effect, then off, effect, ARC. Okay, then we can generate an emoji. This is just okay, then you can select it. Okay, and this coin text emoji. Okay, then we can add any this type of elements. Okay, this design already ready. It's very simple, you can make it, but if you don't time waste, and if you don't know how to make this type of design, and if you buy this design, you can visit my website, you can buy it. This video description below I already include my website link, you can buy it. And first of all, I can my channel link svgcutfiledesigns.com, then you can visit. If you like, you can buy it. Okay, just wait. When this video recording finish, then I include this design, this website, then you can buy it. Okay, you can object, expand reference, then expand. Okay, thank you guys, see you next, bye.